Hi everyone, it's Ewing here and I'm finally taking you for another episode of my daily life vlog here in UAE. So let's do it. It's another short day of work is over because it's Saturday and we're finally home. It's so tired outside and it's so hot. You know that I walking in the heat from the office, even it's a walking distance, and also it's heavy wind outside. My shoelace also creating problem while I'm walking. Even my umbrella, it's about to flip. I don't know. It's crazy. So if you can see outside, see? It's too hot. It's a mix of emotions that I want to reach home earlier and a bit hungry. I don't know. And today morning when I get down is the weather is okay. I feel everything is perfect. The wind is normal and then no heavy traffic. But now, my God, if you can see outside, see, it's heavy wind outside. It's blowing. But anyway, it's better than yesterday. Yesterday, there's a heavy wind, sandstorm. Even I cannot even open the back door of the office. All the dust inside the office, even at my workstation. Today morning, I clean up everything. It's all mess. But anyway, thankfully that we're here at home now. And Akira is waiting. Akira, where are you? Where are you, baby? Where are you? So Akira is here. She's waiting for me. So all the tiredness is gone. That is also the good things that if you have the power baby. So let's sit for a while because we just came and we'll just walk in the heat outside. So let's give some cuddle first to my Akira. Akira, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Akira, say hi to everyone. This is Akira and welcome to our channel. She really missed me. So what do you want, baby? Being a parents also is not that kind of easy. You have also to manage everything like Akira's food and also her things. It should be always clean, mostly like you are living here in abroad. You have to make sure that you have the proper care about your fur babies. So maybe this is the right time to discuss something about pets. You know that Akira, when I get Akira, she was very small. Actually, she's a small puppy from Francis, my previous colleague from the previous company, and he asking me that, do you need a puppy or you want to take care puppy? I'm a little bit confused that time that because I really want it, but due to that, when I was staying in Japlia, the space is not really good for pets. But when I saw Akira, my heart is melt, and then I said, "Oh, she is for me." She was, I think, 30 months old that time, and I said, do I need to buy a milk for a puppy? Then I test that the starter Royal Canin food. I put some hot water to make it soft. Then I give it to Akira. And then she start eating. So I said, maybe she can eat. No need to buy any milk. Then and after that, now see Akira, she's already 3 years old, Maltese girl. Oh. But every time that we are fighting, always on bed, because when I was sleeping, she always pushing me. It's a big bed actually. But she's always pushing at the side. She always want the big area. I don't know. So you're hungry, baby? Huh? I will give you food later. Because I don't want to get you fat. Because you know why? If you have a far baby, you have also manage the time. Like example, just give her time to walk outside, run outside. But we cannot do in this kind of weather. It's very hot outside. Sometimes there is no sun, but humidity is strong. It's not good also for your fur babies. And also, you know, see, after grooming again, hair is growing fast. She's very fluffy. Good to take her outside in this kind of weather. Even after, sometimes it's evening, but you still feel the humidity outside at evening. Not like every time that I always take a walk with her at morning, 6 o'clock. See, she's so sweet. About my Akira. Now I feel relaxed because when I got home and then this small angel waiting for me, all my tiredness and stress is gone. I love her. I really love her. Actually, Akira also, I need to update also her documents because the last vaccination, before it was annually, but now every 6 months, I guess. We need to update that one. She has her own passport also, and also microchips. So just in case that I will take her to my country, I can easily take my Akira with me. It's a little bit hot. Let me open the AC first. Okay, so let's continue our chat while I'm holding Akira. Being a content creator also is not so easy. It's not that kind of easy, I mean, because every time that I creating content, I need also to think what exactly the content for the day. Even it's only for daily life vlogging here in UAE. And it's very hard for me to create some creative content because because my timing and also the nature of my work always in office. Last 3 weekends I cannot even take off because we have 9 days of event, different places. We have 2 events in Dubai and 1 in Abu Dhabi. And it's long travel from here to Sharjah to Abu Dhabi. It's very hard. Thankfully that Jasper is there. Jasper came and take me from here and also dropped me at the evening. But we always back and forth. It's so tiring. And I took my off last Monday. So again, I heard that there's another upcoming events, so I need also to get ready for that, another planning and another adjusting for my schedule. And also, I want to discuss with you guys that being a content creator also there's a lot of advantage and disadvantage that I have facing in my channel, because due to that slowly learning what is the right procedure and what is the right strategy one of my biggest regret is I doing the vlogging, I think 5 years ago, and when I'm excited, I keep posting it. Even sometimes I'm very excited to see my videos, and then they watch. Unfortunately, it's not happened. And stopping my vlogging is my biggest regret. I also want your opinion, guys. What I can more improve. Be creative to create more videos that you can watch. And my biggest mistake is I'm the one who will watch my channel, my video first. That is very wrong. Then I noticed that when I find out that watching your own videos is not good. And also, due to the excitement, we always keep checking our analytics and in our YouTube studios. That is also, I try to avoid that one. So that's why I'm thinking I need to create a different kind of style of content. And I need also to be ready for another challenge here in my comeback, here in my channel. YouTube is the one who will decide who is the right audience for your content. Remember that. Share your thoughts on the comment below. So tell me also some advice how to improve my video content. Then I will be happy to respond. So Kira, you're enjoying to our short video? Are you enjoying, baby? So hope you enjoy, guys, our topic today, and until next time.